Cyrus Tabi at the controls, bigay kay Dan Sara. Pulls up, the jumper is money para kay Dan Sara.
Eh, kung iisipin mo naman,
Javi.
yeah, but they finally were able to experience the strength of their schedule midway. Already very iconic in si Richard.
And Cyrus Tabi scores inside. And AJ Coronel with a steal. And AJ will lay it in. And even in the wing, meron silang lumalim din sila with Josh Galliano.
Tama ka dyan.
Hilario. Yeah, look at Muntinlupa's defense scramble, but the breakdown happening after
Maybe
Brian
even trying to trap on that baseline, but Flores already flipping up that shot.
And then the three, Galliano flying high for that rebound. Salenga fires and hits. Manligues. Galliano inside the paint. Josh Galliano.
They ran here, little over-under play here, and they go to Josh Galliano.
Manligues to the corner. Salenga finds Sanko inside and the basket. But look what I found, Mark Sanko.
Yeah, he turns change into goal.
Tabi. Natrasan ng depensa ni Lohera. Inside, Galliano with a reverse.
And you see
that short. Rios with the offensive rebound. Nagawan sa rebound. Pajarito gets hit, but puts it in for two.
Trying to block the shot from behind. There you go.
Tinamaan. No. Reverente, still no good. Pajarito turns around and puts it in.
At ang difference,
just a 1-point lead para sa Pasay. Dan Sara, that's a three. Got it. No offensive rebound na kay Cyrus pa rin. Labas kay Pajarito, a three. Yes! Christian, top of the key, atake on Marvin Hayes, and Christian Pajarito showing Pasay.
Footwork. Kasi yan talaga ang trinabaho sa kanya when he was with Cebu. You know, they really tried to speed up his development.
Piano erases the shot from Corteza. A three from Jasper. Got it! Josh, the one-hander, easy too.
Minutes para sa Muntinlupa trying to defend Cyrus Tabi.
Lasco, jumper, got it.
Sobrang sakit. They can't foul here. Already in the penalty.
Galliano steps into this three-pointer. Josh Galliano with a response. By Kurt. Reverente gets it back. Inside, Cyrus Tabi. 4 points in scoring, Javi. He's got 9 tonight. Tabi. Alanganin ang pasa. Tabi will attack. Tabi inside the paint. Cyrus Tabi. There was a lot of contact there. The look away, Javi. And then the power and the concentration to finish this one.
You see here, going up against two defenders, actually three. Sarangay also tried.
Marami pang location dito na
maraming malapit
buhay
dito.
Na buhay. Oh, Pajarito with a three. Pajarito against Lepanam. Pajarito fires. Got it! Christian. He's not that demonstrative. What a pass! Rebound ni Tabi. Pasay with numbers, and Pajarito will lay it in.
Oh, may foul pa.
Tabi gets it to Pajarito, launches. Got it, another one from Christian Pajarito.
Sa Mamu ata yun eh.
Oh, Christian Pajarito.
You squad.
And look at him go, Christian Pajarito. He's
pieces in their career, providing them with new homes where they could really belong.
Mark Sanko puts it in.